It wasn't love. I thought you loved me. I see no difference between love and lust. In fact, you used love to lure me. You never loved me. That's why you left me. Now I need painkillers. Cause you left me with pains. It pains me a lot when I think of Junior, your only son that you reject. It wasn't love. You are heartless, careless. I loved you more than anything. I doubt only death will do us apart. All of that was a dream. I no longer believe in love, and you are the cause. People like you don't deserve to live, but to live. Devil is better than you, and you are worse. It wasn't love. Love never perish. Love cares. Love protects. Love is strong. Love support. Love is me, and you lost. It wasn't love.